Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fix AI, your go-to spot for the latest in tech and artificial intelligence. Today, we're uncovering something that's hiding in plain sight, a completely free, high-quality AI image generator that hardly anyone's talking about. And no, it's not Midjourney, it's not Dalle 3 with a subscription, and it's definitely not paid. I'm talking about Microsoft Bing Image Creator, powered by Dalle 3, and it's totally free to use. That's right, if you go to bing.com/create or just use Microsoft Copilot in your browser, you can generate stunning AI images in cutting-edge detail completely free of cost. And here's the crazy part. You can create images in 3 different dimensions: portrait, landscape, or square, depending on your project. Whether you're designing a thumbnail, a social media post, or a cinematic AI artwork, Bing gives you full flexibility. And these images are not low quality either. They're sharp, vibrant, realistic, and in many cases look just as good, if not better, than what people are paying for elsewhere. But here's the catch. Almost nobody's talking about it. Everyone's focused on paid tools like Midjourney or Firefly, while Bing quietly gives you access to this same Dalle 3 model for free. Now, before you run off to try it, let me give you a few tips to get the best results. Tip 1. Be very specific with your prompts. Describe lighting, camera angle, mood, and art style. Tip 2. Use --AR 16:9 or --AR 1:1 at the end of your prompt to control image dimensions. Tip 3. If you use Microsoft Edge, you get faster image generation and bonus boosts that make the AI work instantly. Look at this. I just typed a futuristic New York street at night, neon lights reflecting on wet pavement, cinematic 4K style, and boom, Bing creates 4 stunning results in under 10 seconds. No watermarks, no subscription, just pure AI creativity. So if you're a content creator, a designer, or just someone exploring AI art, you're sitting on one of the best free tools out there right inside your browser. Perfect for showcasing creativity in AI tools like Bing, Dalle 3, etc. And that's what Tech Fix AI is all about, bringing you the hidden gems of the AI world that everyone else ignores. So go try it right now. bing.com/create, and let me know in the comments what kind of images you came up with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more secret AI tools coming your way real soon. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep fixing tech with Tech Fix AI.